Hey guys, I'm back! Yay! I'm sorry for the setup right now. I feel like my lighting is really jacked up, and then this background just is no good. I really need to step up my game, and one day I will, but for now I hope you guys don't mind. But today's video, I am just going to do a chit chat get ready using newer products. I tested out a couple of these products, but I haven't used them on camera yet, so I thought I would show you guys, tell you guys what I think, and just get ready with you guys. So if you guys would like to see the new products that I will be trying out, and if you'd just like to get ready with me, then be sure to just keep on watching. Alright, hair is pulled back. Hair needs to be tucked behind these big old ears because I need all of my hair out of the way. So we are going to just go for a natural look today because I'm going to take it all off right after this video. But I just really wanted to film this today and I ran out of time, so I'm going to do it now. I'm going to show you guys my #1 moisturizer that I use every single day to prep my face. I'm going to be using this Clean and Clear Dual Action Moisturizer. I really enjoy this moisturizer because it's super lightweight and it leaves your skin feeling really hydrated. I don't like moisturizers that leave residue, and this one doesn't. It just soaks right into the skin. And then it makes me feel better using this moisturizer because it claims it moisturizes dry skin, treats and helps prevent pimples. So you know, that's a winner for me. But I use this every day when I'm either wearing makeup or without any makeup. I really do like this moisturizer and I've been using it for a while now. On to the next product. We are going to let that sink in a little bit, but since I'm trying to rush because dinner will be done soon and mom's hungry, I'm gonna go in with my H2O J-Cat primer. My skin has been super dry since I've came down here to Missouri, so I need literally all the moisturizer, but I hope you guys are doing well. I'm doing great, still hanging in there. It just sucks that I don't have like my normal space to film. I mean, I did bring my vanity, which helps a lot with lighting, but I just need to step up my game. I need to buy a ring light and I need to buy like a background holder because you guys don't want to know how I hang this thing. It's literally thumbtacked into the ceiling. That's how janky we are right now. I'm gonna go in with my Porefessional primer and fill in my pores, especially my large old pore that I have. Y'all know, hopefully you can't hear my mom cooking in the other room because she's loud when she cooks. She literally hits every single pot together. I swear she does it on purpose. When we were little, she would make breakfast on the weekends, and I think that was her way of getting us up because she would just hit every single pot together. Every time, never fails. Okay, now we are going on to my first product that I'm going to be trying out for the first time on this camera. I have tried this out the other day. This is the Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation. I wasn't initially going to get this foundation when I went to Ulta the other day, but I had to get it because I went in there for the NARS foundation that I've been dying to freaking get, but every time I go to Ulta I can't get it. So I don't think it's meant to be. I'm gonna try one more time, and if not, I'm really gonna order online. I just don't think I'll get my right shade, but it's okay. But then I was like, okay, I have to at least get something, and I've always heard really good things about this foundation, so I was like, I'm gonna give it a go. So that's what I decided to get from Ulta. I'm gonna be blending that out with this Eco Tools blender. I found this the other day at Ross for $3.49, and I remember Kathleen Lights raving about an Eco Tools beauty sponge, so hopefully this is it. If not, we'll have to use something else. So this is what it looks like. It has this flat end and another flat end right there. Feels like it'd be really good to blend foundation out on your face. It feels a little hard, so hopefully when I wet it, it'll get softer. I'm back. Guys, this sponge feels so nice and it got larger. This is very promising. $3.49. Yeah. Alright guys, so here we go with the foundation. I'm going to tell you guys my first initial thoughts when I first applied it. I did have someone match my skin tone to a shade, and the shade that we came to was Desert Beige. It literally took me and my friends forever to figure out what shade I was. And I'm still not 100% certain that this is my shade. I think it's just like a hair too light. Like on my hand, you can tell that it's a bit light. But it didn't look bad when I applied it on my face. It was about right. But when I first tried this out, I really liked how it looked on my skin. See, it looks pretty good, huh? But I did like the way it looked on my skin. However, I might have got a little too crazy to examine my foundation at the end of the night to see if it wore well or what it looked like. The only thing that kind of discouraged me a little bit about this foundation was the next day I woke up with a huge pimple on my chin. So I'm hoping to goodness this foundation did not cause that. This is my second time wearing it, so if I wake up with a pimple tomorrow, then we got a problem. But this foundation is full coverage. Like, this is half of my face with foundation and not. It lays pretty on the skin. I thought it looked beautiful after I applied everything on top of it when I first wore it. So far it is holding up for me. It's just, I hope it doesn't cause me pimples. And this sponge right here, get it, go get it. I don't know which one it is. It's just a Total Perfecting Blender by EcoTools. I'm sure it's in the drugstores, but I got lucky and found it at Ross for $3.49. This is actually my very first real high-end product. Like, I feel like Estee Lauder is like way up my alley, you know? I am still going to get that NARS foundation because I want that bad boy so bad. One day I'm gonna get it. I feel like, I don't know if you guys feel like it, but in the lighting, well, for one, my face looks like a ghost with these lights for some reason. I feel like it didn't used to do that, but I could be totally wrong. But I feel like this shade is just like a hair too light. I usually like my foundations though a little bit darker than what I am, because then I can balance it out with concealer, you know? I don't think I like spot on foundation. I just need a hair darker. Guys, I really do love the way this foundation looks on my skin. As you can tell, as it's already drying down, it's turning more into like a satin matte finish, which I like. I have that much left over, and that is how my face looks. The coverage is freaking amazing on this. Now I'm gonna go in with this NYX HD Concealer to brighten up, to highlight just a little bit. I'm not really sure how I feel about this concealer. I feel like it's pretty lightweight, and I'm so used to pretty full coverage concealers now that it just doesn't give it to me. But my Tarte Shape Tape, I think, is old because it gets crusty underneath my eye. So I need to purchase a new one. I don't really enjoy this sponge to blend out the under eye. I like pointy parts of the Beauty Blender to get really in there, especially in the corner of my eyeball. I thought I could let you guys know that I just recently got a new job at this resort that is down here. It's only going to be part-time, so I'll still be able to film videos and enjoy family time and friend time. So that is the face foundation and concealer. Oh, another thing that I want to rave about the Estee Lauder foundation, which I have never had before, is that it dries completely. Like, you do not need to set this foundation. I feel safe not setting this foundation, crazy as it is. Alright, but I am going to set those under eyes because I do crease there, and like my chin, wherever I put the concealer. And the setting powder that I'm going to be using today is new, this Revolution Banana Powder. I heard Casey Holmes raving about this, so I just poured some in this cap, and I'm going to set it. I'm going in with this powder on the butt of the Beauty Blender, which is probably not smart. I probably should have used the wedge side, but I'm just gonna pat this down. It's just like a powder that I would set my whole face with. Like, it's not a brightening powder for my skin tone. It just blends right in, and I don't like that. I want kind of a brightening effect underneath my eye. Now I look like I just have one layer of stuff on, because that completely took all the brightening away off my face. So, man, I thought I was gonna like that powder. For me, it's a no-go, but maybe for others, it'll be good. Like, Casey Holmes is always darker than me, so I don't know how it works for her skin tone. So I'm just gonna go in with this highlight and contour palette by IBY and use this highlight shade. See, like, this is more of a banana shade for me. Like, it's a bright shade. That banana shade is almost orange. I don't know if you could tell the difference. Ugh. Man, that sucks. See, like, I don't know if you can already tell the difference, but I can. In person, that literally just brightened up my under eye and my chin completely. Can you tell the difference on there? I can. I'm going to go do my brows off camera real quick and I'll be right back. And we back. My brows are looking wild. I don't know why. I think because I'm trying to hurry, but they're looking wild. I do want to mention though, this one brow product that I am obsessed with, and I've used it a long time ago, but I never repurchased it. But it's the clear brow gel from Anastasia. I love this brow gel because it literally glues your brows down. So I thought I'd mention that to you guys, that this is a really, my dog's trying to get in. This is a really good brow gel. You should check it out. I'm gonna finish off my face with you guys. Might as well, right? I'm gonna use my Physician Butter Bronzer because I haven't used it in a long time. I'm going to highlight my face using the Dose of Colors highlight in Fuego using this Wet n Wild brush. I got this in a kit for Christmas from one of my good friends. It's like a perfect little precise highlighting brush. I love it. And I love this highlighter. When we went to Ulta the other day, they had the Amrezy highlight by Anastasia, and oh my god guys, that highlight looks like butter in a pan. It's so gorgeous. But I didn't get it because I have a lot of highlights, especially golden highlights, so it's like I'm gonna pass this time. Can you believe it? I thought I'd let you guys know that the beauty steals at Ulta are about to commence. I got the magazine in the mail the other day and there's gonna be some good beauty steals. Anywho, I'm gonna go in real quick with this new blush that I got from Essence. I have the same blush in Satin Coral in this formula, and my friends told me that this color is really beautiful too, so I was like, I'm gonna get it because I already know that formula is good. Let's just see if that color is any good. I'm gonna be going in with my Morphe E4 to apply that on apple cheeks. Oh wow, very pigmented. I went a little bit too hard. I feel like it looks different in the pan compared to my cheek, but maybe I'm wrong. Yeah, that's pretty. Maybe we should blend it out a little bit. Did we go a little bit too hard? Maybe just a little bit. That's basically the face, guys. That is all the new face products that I do have for you, but I'm gonna move on real quick and I'm gonna show you guys how this bad boy works on camera. I have been using this and I am obsessed. I'm obsessed with their Roller Lash Mascara, so I figured this one was gonna be good. But this is the Bad Gal Bang Mascara from Benefit. It lengthens my lashes like no other. I feel like it almost is similar to Roller Lash, but I feel like this one gives me just a little bit more volume. The Roller Lash really lengthens my lashes too, but that's all it does. So that is one layer, and I think they look good. I typically get this mascara all over my eyelid because I feel like the wand is a little bit flimsy. So you gotta be careful. If you're already messy with your mascara, you gotta be careful with this one because it could cause you to get more messy. So those are my lashes. Look at them. They have length. Let me apply some real quick to my lower lash line. I gotta get all up in the mirror for my lower lash line, so just one moment. And we're back. So this mascara, I really like. It gives you volume, it gives you length, it separates your lashes, it doesn't clump on me. The only thing is, I feel like the wand is just a bit flimsy, but other than that, it's a good mascara. I have one more first impression product that I just recently bought. It is this Makeup Revolution lip kit that I got. I got it in the color Bow Down. I swatched this on my hand and this shade was absolutely gorgeous. So I'm gonna try her out. This is what the lip pencil looks like. Oh! I don't know if you guys just saw that. But there's no tip. It just freaking broke off. Are you kidding me? This is what we're working with now, so it's not a perfect little tip. It's probably gonna break off because I just sharpened it too much. So let's try this again. Attempt number 2. I think it's actually better now, because at first it wasn't like gliding. It's gliding a lot better now. So that is the liquid lipstick. It smells and tastes horrible. It's just like cheap. You can tell it just is like, I don't even know what they did to make this, but I don't think it's healthy because it smells like paint, like really bad. But this color is giving it to me. I'm absolutely obsessed with this color, and I feel like I don't have this color in my collection, but hopefully it'll wear well. I have a feeling that it won't. Like, I don't have high hopes for it. But guys, that is the end of this video. That wraps it all up. Let me give you a little rundown of the products that I did mention. Estee Lauder foundation is a hit for me. I really love this foundation so far. It looks so good on the skin. Everything applies so nicely. Probably gonna be my favorites for a while. This sponge is a hit, so good, only $3.49, and it blended out everything so seamlessly, so squishy, so nice. The Bad Girl Bang mascara, also a hit, love it. I mean, the proof is in the video. What else? Blush hit, looks gorgeous. As well, I did mention the brow gel from Anastasia. I love it. I just wanted to mention that. So my only miss kind of is mainly this liquid lipstick and that liner. Oh, and I forgot this bad boy. Do not get this. Just kidding. If you have my skin tone, I would definitely pass. I don't know what happened. You can just like see the yellow mark of that powder on my eye, and I don't like that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed all the new products that I tried for you guys. I hope that you enjoyed this kind of style, me kind of chit-chatting with you, just catching up because it's been a while. I'm sorry once again for this setup. Like, I just feel like my face looks like a ghost, and in person it doesn't. But I mean, it could be because I haven't had Florida sun in a while. I hope you guys still enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye. Oh my god, you know what I just now forgot I was going to test out? Let me just add it real quick. I can't test it out, but I wanted to test this out. I wanted to test this L'Oreal Mercier Flawless Fusion Concealer. That was going to be in this video. It's okay. The next video, I'll be testing out this concealer, so be sure to stay tuned. Bye!